Scaling cold email is easy, but scaling the right ICP is hard. Most people jump to volume too fast. They go from 100 emails a day to 1000 without proving that their ICP actually correct. That's how inboxes get burned. That's how budget get wasted. That's how people think cold email doesn't work. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I validate an ICP before I ever scale to 1000 emails per day. I start with a narrow opinionated ICP. I don't start broad. I don't say SaaS or B2B companies. I start with something very specific. For example, compliance software for fintech, HR software for mid-market companies, logistics software for warehouse operators. Specific ICPs make validation faster. Broad ICPs hide problems. I test small on purpose. My first goal is not scale. My first goal is signal. I usually start with 100 to 200 emails a day. Same ICP, same offer, same message. I want clean data. If I change ICPs every day, I learn nothing. I look for patterns, not volume. I don't ask how many replies did I get today. I ask what kind of people reply. I look for same job titles, same objections, same questions, same pain points, same timing issues. Patterns tell me the ICP is real. Random replies means the ICP is weak. I validate buyer authority. This is huge. I check, are real decision makers replying, or junior staff, or wrong departments. If the wrong people reply, the ICP or job titles are wrong. Scaling bad authority means more noise, not more revenue. I validate pain, not curiosity. Curiosity is nice. Pain is better. I look for replies like, we are actively looking for this. This is a priority. We are already thinking about this. If people are just curious, not motivated, I tighten the ICP or adjust the offer. Scaling curiosity is risky. Scaling pain is profitable. I validate meeting quality. Before scaling, I ask, do meetings actually show up? Are they qualified? Do they match the ICP? If meetings are low quality, scaling will only make more low quality meetings. Garbage in is equal to garbage at scale. I only scale when three things are consistent. Same type of companies replying, same type of buyers engaging, same pain point mentioned again and again. When those three repeat, that's product market ICP fit. And that's when I increase volume. I never jump. I go from 100 to 200, then 300, then 500, 700, something like that. At each step, I watch reply quality, buyer type, objection patterns, meeting quality. If quality drops, I pause. Scaling is protecting relevance. Why most people fail at scaling? They scale hope. I scale proof. They scale because they think this should work. I scale because I see repeating evidence. Cold email is not about belief. It's about validation. If you want to scale cold email safely, don't scale the volume first. Validate the ICP, buyer, pain, meeting quality, then scale.